I just know I ordered 2 rolls of this wallpaper. Did I not order 2 rolls?
Oh my God. What just happened?
We did all that to end up right back where we started. Hi guys, happy Saturday and welcome to the channel. It's not morning, it is 2:52 p.m. It looks like it's gonna rain today, and I checked the forecast and it's supposed to rain, but not a lot. Let me see if it's changed any. Actually, it's not gonna rain until 2 a.m. now. Yesterday, I went to a couple of stores to prepare myself for this bathroom makeover that I've been working on for a long time, and I'm trying to get it finished this weekend. That bathroom has a sprayed on speckled look that's supposed to resemble stone, but it doesn't look like stone at all. It looks like paint. One day it hit me. I was like, I need to bring in more of that color, and I went and picked up some towels, some sample towels. I just bought like 5 towels that weren't in a box to see if I would like towel. And the original towel that I bought was white, and then now I know I want it in a darker color to tie in that countertop. I wasn't able to find gray, like the color that I wanted at Floor & Decor, so I'm like, maybe if I do it myself, that'll look good. So I picked up some spray paint and a gray color. The color that I got, I feel like it's a little too light for my bathroom. So I want to go darker on the color. That way it'll go with the counter in the bathroom a little better.
The middle 2 lanes to merge onto State Route 400 South.
I need my microphone. I brought it with me.
Continue straight.
This will help. How is that? I think that's better. So I bought my spray paint with me. I bought 2 cans. I bought the gray spray paint as well as a top coat. I was thinking I would return both because the spray paint, like I said, is too light, and then the clear coat that I have is matte. And initially I was thinking I would like to have a matte towel in my bathroom, but now I'm kind of feeling like gloss would look better. If the countertop was a matte looking stone, then the matte towel would probably look better. You see what I mean? Like, I do like matte, but it just doesn't make sense.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
This one is the one that I just bought, and it's too light. And I'm looking at this picture, and you see the countertop. So I'm trying to get something more complementary to that. And you see that versus that. I'm thinking this color would be good. And then I'll get a gloss coat to go on top of it. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So good. But I need to put you on the charger because my battery's getting low. Hi guys, it is the next day. It's a little later in the day. And I am gonna get going on this bathroom. I keep saying that and I haven't got going yet. But I've been thinking about something. But first, let me show you the towel that I spray painted yesterday. The pieces that I bought previously were gloss finish, and I decided when I went back to buy a box I would get the matte finish. So here's the matte finish, and I felt like the paint would stick a little better. And then this is what it looks like now that I've painted it, and I think it turned out beautifully. It's just a little bit of water on there because I had it sitting up here on the counter. But this morning I was thinking I'm gonna have to spray paint it with the protective coat because I just chipped it a little bit right here on the side. I don't know if you can see that little white spot, because I was gonna take that paint back because I was like, wow, it turned out really nice with just the gray. And you know me, I'm always trying to save money wherever I can. But since that happened, I think I should go ahead and do the protective, you know, the gloss coat over it. So I'm gonna do that now because it looked like it's gonna rain again. Okay, let me tell you this. You know, yesterday I ended up having to rush because it looked like it was about to start pouring down rain. And I was like, let me at least get the paint on it and then I can bring everything inside and let it dry inside. But then the sun came back out. That's gonna be neat looking. Is this helping or hurting? Oh, I gotta put a lot on there. I see.
Oh no, what's that? Oh my God. What just happened?
I should have tested it on one instead of just going ham on all of my stuff. Did y'all see that? Oh wow. It just like crackled everything. This is what it did to my towel. So I'm gonna take it inside and see if I can wipe this off. And maybe go back over with the gray and we'll just omit the step with the gloss. Cause I have no idea what just happened. I don't know what to wipe, but let me try a paper towel. Even though it's paper and I feel like that's not the best material to wipe with. I don't know what else to do right now. Okay. It's coming off. Yeah. It peels right off. So I'm gonna have to peel this off and start over with the gray, and we'll skip that step. Here we go. Oh, this is where we're at right now. We did all that to end up right back where we started. Actually, further behind than where we started. But that's okay, because the problem is solved. In the meantime, we're gonna unbox this wallpaper. And hopefully this will work, because guess what, you guys? In my usual fashion, I waited past the return date. So if I don't like this wallpaper, I'm stuck. But I think I'm gonna like it. And wait a minute, I thought I ordered 2 rolls. I just know I ordered 2 rolls of this wallpaper. Did I not order 2 rolls? I need to check. Okay, I ordered the bigger package. Let's see here. Instead of ordering 2 small rolls, I ordered 2 big rolls, but I don't know. I hope this is enough. That looks like a good bit. And the pattern on this one hopefully is easier for me to line up in order to cover the wall like I need to. But this is the wallpaper that we have. I feel like this is gonna be a bigger statement than what we have in here, because we currently have, you know, that green and white wallpaper that looks like, I don't like it. I felt a little embarrassed to express my disdain for the wallpaper whenever I put it up. But I'm gonna be real with you guys from now on, because that's how it goes when you're doing projects. Sometimes you see things in your head, because I was trying to make the colors work with this DIY project idea over here because I painted myself, and the painting is okay. And I just trying to bring in those colors. I found some wallpapers that would have been cute, but not at the price point I was willing to pay. So I settled for what I bought, and it was a waste of money because it wasn't cheap wallpaper either. It was $25. I know for the second roll. I can't remember how much I paid for the first roll I got. But let's see how this looks when we open it up. Isn't it cute? Birds. Yeah, I think this is gonna be better. At least I hope. But with this and the towel, I think it's gonna be It'd be so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'm tired now because that towel threw me off. It took a lot of elbow grease to get that paint off.